Guys, do you know, guys, what is the name of the superhero? Guys, this is very powerful superhero Venom. Wow, what a beautiful superhero, guys. Guys, guess the name of this mini superhero. Guys, this is Captain America. Wow. Guys, this is very mini size superhero. This is Superman. Wow. Guys, this is very greatest superhero. This is Iron Man. Wow. This is Iron Man, guys. Guys, this is the very miniature superhero. This is Spider-Man. Wow. What a beautiful superhero. This is mini Spider-Man. Wow. Guys, guess the name of this superhero. Guys, do you know? Guys, this is Captain America. Wow. Amazing superhero Captain America. Guys, this is very amazing. Guys, superhero. Guys, this is the superhero Iron Man. And guys, this is Captain America. And guys, this is Thor. This is Hulk. And guys, this is the War Machine. Guys, I will unboxing of this superhero. Wow. Guys, this is Superman. Wow. Guys, this is very well done superhero. Guys, this is Batman. Wow, amazing, guys. This is Batman. Guys, this is very powerful superhero. This is Hulk. Wow, what a beautiful superhero Hulk, guys. Guys, this is cute and very handsome superhero. This is Army Man. Wow. Guys, this is the superhero unbelievable flying power honor. This is Thor. I check the light in the chest of this superhero and check the bear style of this superhero Thor. Wow, amazing, guys. Guys, this is very unique silver color Batman. Wow.